Okay, alrighty humans, we're here and we're excited. We have a massive day today and tonight. So press your pause button on your tellies, on your phones, or your laptops. Go to the fridge, grab yourself a coldie, glass of red wine, scotch, coffee, coconut water, whatever spices up your life, and get ready for a thrilling class of modified drag racing at the Perth Motorplex. Now, I have captured the modified class at the previous Summer Slam drag racing event. So if you haven't watched that event, I'll put the link in the description below or up in the corner here or here, or head to my channel and check it out. Oh, they're kicking off already. To be completely honest, I'm super excited about this event. I have a ton of questions to be asked about how the teams are going to perform as I follow them thoroughly on a semi-personal level as well at the last event. Like, will Michelle Morrison go back-to-back tonight and take the win again? Can Angelo Lecantro in his new dragster have the car configuration sorted this event and be competitive? Or does it take time, like a few meetings? Who knows? Now, Neil Galloway in his front-ended dragster, can he get a bit of a redemption tonight after redlining in the final against Michelle Morrison last event? But we don't just have 6 modified cars like last meeting, we have about 15. So I got a lot of work to do tonight to try and capture everyone. But this is a first world problem, so no complaining, let's get on with it. Hey, Angelo.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, back again.
Yep.
How'd you go first round? Actually, first off, mate, how did you go through qualifying?
Yeah, good, no dramas. Car's consistent. Yeah, just got the win then. Went 869 on a 866 dial in. Just got to keep that up and we'll be all right.
Yep. So for the round 2, you're going to change anything to the car, mate?
No, leave it alone.
Yep.
Leave it alone, keep turning on wind lights, that's the plan.
Who do you have to thank for today, mate? Because I know your normal team isn't here.
Yeah, the boys are out at the Summer Nats.
Yep.
And we've got Rob and Jason here helping us. So yeah, we've got their trailer set up. We're Hollywood this event. Just less stress for us to concentrate on the race car and focus on what we need to do and turn on wind lights. That's the game plan anyway.
Check out my channel. Rob and Jason Gay Course was actually the very first drag car that I featured on my channel, so check it out. I'll put the link down below in the description. There's Rob there. There's a Guru and Jace.
And I think we won that meeting as well.
Oh, did you? Yeah. The luck with Terra Media. Angelo's taking it. load, burnout, mate. What happened? You're fired up. You went come through at 100 miles an hour.
I just wanted to get it done.
Get it done.
Yeah, the thing clicked second. It was stayed in it. Didn't want to back off.
Yep.
Went past him about 1,000 foot, so I gave it a few whoops, and I didn't know if we won or not.
Yep.
Thought maybe we broke out, but I heard the guys cheering, so yeah, that's a win.
Yeah, mate. Yeah. How was the pass itself?
Oh, still skating. It was actually fun. It was one of the best runs we've done.
Yep. So this is your second meeting with this car, mate, and you've taken out the win.
Yeah.
Well done.
Yeah.
Yep. Who do you have to thank, mate, for the car team?
Everyone on the car here.
Yep.
They made this happen,
Yep.
and the boys.
Yep.
So yeah, P, Radar FS,
Yep.
Fire Solutions, Cobra Access,
Yep.
LRE Motorsports,
Yep.
and R&J Motorsports for helping out for the weekend.
Yep. Yep. So we got Rob Gaycourse here, last year's champion, was it Rob?
Yeah, we got
Yep.
last year Supercop.
Supercop, yep. And Jacob.
Now in the Motorplex.
And the number one tow driver.
Beautiful job.
100% success rate. First meeting in September.
Yeah.
Championship in the second meeting. Winner.
Oh yeah.
Wait! I was in park, sorry.
What happened?
I was in park.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Oopsie. Can we tie another knot?
Yeah, try to come this way.
Yeah.
Back again?
It's going to be a bit of a toe issue.
Oh no, you're good. Stay there. You got it sorted.
A bit of a toe issue, but I'm sure we can
That's
do
all
it.
right. We won.
A
We
little
can
bit
have a right now.
Let it go this way. Let it come this way.
The tow rope just snapped. We're looking for sponsors.
Oh, nah.
Bunnings Warehouse.
You had the brakes on.
Nah. No brakes on. Sit out of. Yeah. What's going on? Oh, something's stuck on the front. Oh, look. It got stuck on the rim there. Look. There. The hook. The hook stuck on the rim.
Yeah, no. Yeah, hold on.
Oh, jeez. Okay.
Hold on. Yeah, there you go.
Cool.
Yeah, on the cross, smart camera. What do you want to say? Who do you want to thank?
Thank you, everybody. Aircraft sponsors. Neil for an awesome final, fair race, and we came here and did what we wanted to do. Thank you.
Great stuff. Put your hand together for our modified first and second place drivers.